taking care of my body, coping with intestinal failure. It can be tough to understand what's happening when you feel sick or when you need to go to clinic. Here are 4 things that could help you. We call them ways to cope. Way number 1, feel your feelings. Do you have tests or medications or tubes? How do you feel about it? Can you name your feeling? Feelings are important. It's good to have lots of different kinds of feelings. Sometimes we feel something a lot, and other times not as much. We can use a feeling thermometer to help others know how we are feeling. The green zone means I feel good. Red means I'm upset. It's okay to be upset sometimes. Everyone gets upset once in a while. If you are upset or frustrated and in the red zone, you might feel it in your body too. If you want to, you can stomp. Stomp and blow your frustrations out. You can do it until your body doesn't need to anymore. Or maybe you can't stomp right now. What can you do then? Here are some ways to feel more calm when you want to. Ask for a hug from your family, friends, stuffies, or even yourself. Focus on your senses. 5 things you can see, 4 you can feel, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. Share what you are feeling with your parent or health team. Ask for help.
Help, I need help.
Draw how you feel. Or go for a short walk with your parent or a friend. What are the things that help you feel calm? What do you and your family do that help you feel your feelings? You can do these anywhere at any time. Many times, it's helpful to feel calm and relaxed and in the green zone. Way number 2, breathe deeply. We already breathe well, but breathing deeply can help us to feel better. If you imagine you are doing something with your breath, it helps even more. Breathing like this helps our mind and our body to feel calmer. When we feel scared, anxious, or worried, our breath is always with us. This is one way your breath can help. What will you pretend as you breathe deeply? Another way to cope is to make fun things to do in other areas of your life. Just enjoy yourself. Way number 3, do fun things. Which of these fun ideas is your favorite? Do crafts? Play games? Play with friends or family? Be creative? Maybe you can sing, draw, or play an instrument. Listen to your favorite music. Take a bubble bath. Do something nice for someone. Move your body. You could play sports, dance with your family or with a friend, or try some animal yoga poses. Can you pose like a frog? A cow?
No.
How about a cat? Plan fun things you can do around your procedures, like watching a fun show during an ultrasound or doing something while you take your medications. You do a lot to take care of your body. What are some things about yourself you feel proud of? Way number 4, talk about it. Talk to your family about how to tell your friends about coming to Sick Kids and your intestinal failure. Friends or classmates might have questions about why you are away from school or why you sometimes don't feel well. They might have questions about your line or your feeding tube. What would you want your friends to know? When people are curious, they are trying to learn and understand. Work with your family and your team at Sick Kids to figure out what to say. Watch the next video to learn how to do this. There's lots you can do when you are living with a health condition, and 4 things that can help you cope. If you feel your feelings, breathe deeply, do fun things, and talk about it, you can get through anything.